are not in our kitchen today because we have made them already. Now we have made, what did we make, Sankyu?
Jelly.
We made a green jelly. Now it takes 5 hours to make them. You don't have to do much, but it goes into the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. That's why we've done it already. Now, but we can have a taste because it's ready to eat. Well, why did we make green jelly? Why didn't we make yellow or red jelly or pink jelly instead? Why did we make green jelly?
Because our focus sound is green.
Did you hear that, everyone? Let's go through our focus sound. Are you ready? Go. Green. Let's do that again. Green. And have a look at my hat. And have a look at my shirt and his t-shirt. We've got, what color do we have it on, everyone? Green. So we have made green jelly. And what else did we make, Sankyu?
I know. Green frog meringue.
We also made green frog meringue. So you stay put and have a look at how we made them. It is pretty simple. Before we get started on making green jelly, let's have a little taste. Have a look. We're all green. Yay, have a look. I would like to try this one. Whoa, this is really wobbly. Can you see it? It's wobbly. And I'm ready to eat them. Which one do you want to choose, honey?
This one.
Okay. Let me try it first, okay? Wow, that's good. I love jellies. Why don't you try one? Oh, do you know what? I'm going to try another one because it's really good. Do you know what? I'm going to try this one again. Is it good? I really do love jellies. Okay, let's try this one. Thumbs up. Wow. It's really good. Do you want to try another one?
Okay, I'll once try this Hello Kitty.
Was it good? Oh. Oh. Looks really good. Okay. Hang on. Let me try it with my spoon. Oh, I've got it. I'm ready to eat them. It disappears in your mouth. Yay! So yummy. I want some. More. I want some. More. It was so yummy. Are you ready to find out how you made them? I think you're ready. Let's go and have a look how we made them. Let's go. Let's go through the sound again. Are you ready? Go. G, g, g.
Green.
Let's do that again. G, g, green. Are you ready to do it again? Go. G, g, green. Now. Let's say it one more time. Are you ready? G, g, green. Do that again. G, g, green. Thank you, everyone.